Hello traders, Jan again from Binary Trader, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary options trading. Today I gave another chance to my strategy based on fractal and moving average crossover, but this time I used exponential moving averages. Before diving in, let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for the support. Let's start. Please give a look to my Instagram and Twitter pages. On my Instagram you might find something interesting in one of my latest posts. I am trading at Pocket Option. You can find the platform link in the description as usual. Or you can use this QR code with your phone for ease of access. After registration you can practice on the demo balance, or deposit real money and start trading with it. Today I will give another go to my strategy based on fractal indicator and moving average crossover. My videos with its strategy are by far the most popular, so I feel like I need to do another one, but this time I will try it with exponential moving averages. Probably I will give it a $1 challenge as well in the near future. I will use 1-minute candles. And I set 1 minute for trade duration. Among indicators, I select fractal and moving average twice. I set the period for fractal to 3. I set the period of the first moving average to also 3, and change the type to EMA. Let's make it more visible by selecting a brighter color, and making the line thicker. Set the period for the other moving average to 7, and change the type to EMA here as well. I make it more visible with a slightly darker color, and a thicker line. Let's choose some pairs with a decent payout. And let's look for setups. Here we have a green fractal already printed, showing us the turning point. We should wait for the faster moving average to cross below the slower one. So according to my settings, white moving average crossing below yellow one. If that happens, at the close of the candle I will place a trade in the downward direction. You can also clearly see the market is in a downtrend, as price action is making lower highs and lower lows. This is in line with our expected signal. While waiting here, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to check payout levels regularly, as those might decrease over time and different pairs come up. Great, look for next setup. Here the situation is similar. We can identify the downtrend. We have a green fractal print and a moving average cross. Though it's technically two small crosses close to each other, which is sometimes risky, though the turning point candle, where the last fractal print is also a doji candle, followed by a trend reversal, which is an extra confirmation for us. This is a perfect time to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's just a few clicks for you, but means and helps a lot to me. Great, look for another setup. This setup is an example for the upward direction. The faster moving average is about to cross above the slower one. We will likely get a red fractal print when the current candle closes. Then I will place a bet in the upward direction. Previously we had an uptrend, as the fractal print shows us. We also have a kind of double bottom pattern. Price was supported twice at the bottom. We also have 3 nice bullish candles, forming a 3 white soldiers candle pattern. These all led up to good confirmation of our signal. Fractal printed, so I place my bet. If you can't bear staring at the charts, feel free to take a break. The trade will play out in your absence. You can perform your analysis afterwards based on the outcome. Remember, you should practice on demo balance before investing real money, until you are confident with the strategy of your choice. Check out my other videos as well to find the strategy that works the best for you. Great, look for next setup. Here is another downward setup. Price has fallen extremely twice with these huge bearish candles. Ask any further question in the comment section. I especially like to see you talking to each other in comments. That gives a feel a community is starting to build here. According to my testing period, this strategy works with simple and exponential moving averages as well, although one or the other type of average gives sooner and more reliable signals in different conditions, so understanding the surrounding market context is crucial with both. Otherwise, the results are quite similar. I am trading for an hour, so I'm gonna end my session. Keep your sessions short to avoid the devastating effects of overtrading. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please press the like button, and if you like my content in general, consider subscribing to my channel as well. Don't forget to select all notifications. If you haven't done yet, use the link in the video description below to join Pocket Option and start trading today. Use the promo code also found in the description for 50% extra on your first deposit. If you want to support my work of creating these training videos, you can use the super thanks button to say special thanks. Ask any further question in the comment section, or feel free to leave your thought or idea there, or whatever else is on your mind. Thank you very much for watching my video. I wish you successful trading. See you next time.